Hi, welcome back to the channel. A month ago, I put up a video discussing my thoughts behind Nordstrom possibly being a good trade or an investment opportunity. In that video, I said that it's good, it's not great. And yes, it's performed pretty much exactly as expected. My expectation with Nordstrom was to make somewhere between 50 to 70% return in around 3 to 6 months, without the use of any leverage. With that level of expectation, I allocated 5% of my eToro portfolio to Nordstrom. Since then, the stock has gone up roughly around 70 odd percent. If you want to take a look at my entire portfolio for yourself, you'll find a link in the description that'll give you access to my entire trading portfolio and you can take a look at the performance. For me, Nordstrom is a short-term trade, not a long-term investment. When I say short-term, it generally gives a time horizon of maybe 3 months to around 1 year. If you're interested in why I don't see Nordstrom as a long-term hold, I've talked about that in my previous video, so do check that out if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe if you want to keep up with my portfolio to find out what new stocks I'm buying into. So, before mentioning the exit strategy, I kind of want to tell you about the entry. The primary reason that the stock had dropped last month was due to Q2 earnings. The stock had fallen even lower than its March lows, where we saw the entire market selling off. The earnings were hit since management had decided to push their anniversary sale, which is basically Nordstrom's version of Singles Day or Prime Day, from Q2 to Q3. The market was overly pessimistic on the earnings, and the stock price dropped to just under $12. This was my first buy at around $11.89. Again, 2 weeks ago, the market started selling off, and Nordstrom was no exception. The stock hit $12 and I bought in again. I'm expecting Nordstrom to rally due to earnings which are going to be coming out soon. Q3 earnings are expected to be great because of the anniversary sale, which gives a strong boost to the revenues. The recent run-up that we've seen in the stock price was not so much because of the earnings, but because of the vaccine announcements from Pfizer and Moderna. The entire retail sector as a whole had pretty much gone up on the news. It's not like there was any sort of Nordstrom specific good news that had pushed the stock price higher. I'm expecting the stock to do very well once the earnings are announced. Even next quarter, I'm expecting earnings to be quite good. Q4 is generally the strongest quarter for most retailers because they get a bulk of their sales in November and December from the holiday season. With Nordstrom stock, I will be gradually selling out of my position as the stock price continues to increase since, like I mentioned in the previous video, I don't see Nordstrom as a good long-term hold. The market was irrationally pessimistic on the stock, and I just saw an opportunity to take advantage of and make money for myself and for my investors. So that's pretty much why I bought into it. It's very possible for Nordstrom to hit $40 per share in, say, the next 6 to 12 months. But I probably will not be in the stock until then, since I would rather look for other opportunities like Nordstrom was at $11 to $12. I mean, I'm not really complaining about making 50 to 70%. The return is, it's great. But I would rather look for other opportunities like maybe say Zoom or GameStop, both of which have given fantastic results for my own portfolio. With Zoom, the return that was achieved was a 200% gain in 4 to 5 months. And with GameStop, I still feel like the best returns are yet to come. It's already doubled from when I first started buying into the stock, and I feel like it could definitely go a heck of a lot higher. It makes a lot more sense for me to partially sell out of my Nordstrom position as the stock price goes up, since I don't really feel like it would be able to offer a similar rate of return like it was able to. Once it hits my expected price, or if I find another opportunity that's more attractive, I will probably completely sell out of my Nordstrom position. Time and opportunity cost are the biggest considerations for me since I'm managing money for others and feel responsible to deliver the best possible returns in a 3 to 6 month time horizon. There are always going to be new opportunities coming up somewhere. I hope that you've liked this video and found it informative in some way. And do let me know in the comments if you are a Nordstrom stockholder, what do you expect from the stock in the next, say, earnings or even going ahead 6 months? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, that's pretty much everything I had to say about Nordstrom. Thank you for watching.